Thomas and the Shark. Thomas is at Brendam docks. All the engines are very busy today. There is a lot of cargo. They must take it all around Sodor. Percy picks up mail. Henry picks up steel. Thomas picks up flour. It's almost time to get moving. But then all the engines crowd around Salty. Thomas cannot see what is going on. He asks James. "Salty has a shark," says James. Salty will take the shark to the Sodor Aquarium. It will live there with other sea animals. Thomas wants to see the shark. The other engines are in his way. Thomas cannot wait any longer. He has work to do. He leaves the docks. The other engines stay to see the shark. They try to get closer. Gordon wants to get the closest. He bumps Cranky's hook. Cranky's hook bumps into the shark car. The shark car comes loose. The shark car rolls away. It starts to roll down a hill. Oh no! Salty must stop it. The shark car rolls and rolls. It moves faster and faster. Salty chases it. The shark car goes over a bridge. It goes into a tunnel. Gordon tries to catch it. Percy tries too. The shark car goes around a bend. It is moving fast. James and Emily try to help. None of the engines can catch up. The shark car is too fast. Thomas is on his way to the bakery. He is so sad that he missed the shark. He hears peeps and shouts. Thomas stops. He looks up the hill. He sees the shark. It is rolling right towards him. Thomas speeds up. He gets in front of the shark car. He drops flour on the track. The flour slows down the shark car. Thomas stops the shark. Salty and the other engines catch up. Salty thanks Thomas. All the engines cheer. "Will you take the shark to the aquarium?" Salty asks Thomas. Thomas says yes. He delivers the shark safe and sound. Thomas is a hero. For more great books, make sure you subscribe to our channel.